Did you know that you can have a leaderboard set up for your top likers on TikTok Live? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how you can set it up. It's extremely easy, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. All right, so first things first, what you need to do is get TikFinity. The link will be down in the description below. You can either use the program or you can use the web page. Once you've set up everything, once you install the program, I have a bunch of videos on the best things you can do in it, like setting up the alerts and stuff like that. So make sure to check out my other videos. When you install the program, you will see the start page over here and it's gonna say TikTok Live Connection. So you will have to put in your TikTok Live account and you will have to link your TikTok account to TikFinity. Once you've done that, you can click on Connect to TikTok Live and it will connect right over here. As it might give you an error over here saying that you're not live, but keep in mind that is okay because you're not streaming right now. It's gonna say disconnected, click to connect. Once you go live, it will be connected and everything will be working just as fine. Now, how do we add the top liker leaderboard? Well, you simply scroll down until you find a like-a-thon, and if you click on it, you can actually see it right over here. So as it says over here, show the viewers who have sent the most likes, aka taps on a screen, in a ranking list and create a battle against time by activating the automatic reduction. So if you simply just want the top liker leaderboard, you click on copy over here, which is a browser source, and then you paste it in either in OBS or your TikTok Live Studio as a browser source or as a link source. And that's basically it. If you want to make it more challenging, you have this option called automatic reduction. If you enable it, you can actually make it so it reduces the score by certain percentage every 10 seconds. So it's not as easy for the likers to be on top. So if you want to make it harder, you can simply enable this and then just slide this up or down depending on how much you want to reduce the score. If you don't want it, simply leave it as it is, click on copy, and I'm going to show you how you can put it in OBS and in TikTok Live Studio. So in TikTok Live Studio, how you actually add the link is you go to add source, and then you simply click on a link right over here. You click on add, and then you simply paste the link as it is. You can turn on the sound. So if there is a sound, usually this doesn't really have it, but if it does, you can turn on sound, click on add source. And then if you click on it over here, you can put it wherever you want. And now once you go live, once people start liking your stream, you will see the leaderboard right over here. So then you can resize it and put it wherever else you want. Now, let me show you how you can do the same thing in OBS. So in OBS, how you can do the same thing is you go into the sources over here, you click on the plus sign and you go into the browser, which is basically a browser source. You can name it wherever you want, click on OK, and just simply paste in the link right over here. Click on OK, and you have your leaderboard right over here. So again, you can resize it, you can put it wherever else you want. Once you go live, it will start showing up the leaderboard. And that's basically it. That's how you can add your top likes leaderboard on your TikTok live stream. It's very easy. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like. It would mean the world. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to see more of my TikFinity guides, make sure to check this video right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.